Good day, everyone. Back again with another video. This time we will talk about the DV lottery, the American Green Card, and the program is still open until the 6th of November 2022. So I'm going to show you how to fill out your application and how to edit your photo for free. So let's head over and type DV lottery in the search bar and then hit enter. And then we go for the first option, electronic diversity visa program. And then we scroll down a little bit and we see here the photo examples here. It's going to take you to the official website and you click on digital image requirements on the right side of your screen. And here you will see the requirements. I highly suggest you guys to print it out and take it to your photographer so he will be aware what kind of photo you need. And once you get it, just save it on your desktop and try to test it before applying. Start photo tool, and then you hit it on this bar and try to test that photo. So we have here just a random photo. We're going to click on it. As you can see, the photo has been rejected for certain reasons. So what we're going to do, we're going to just try to edit this photo and try again. And then you're going to open another window and search for XN Shell extension. And then hit search. And you're going to see the first option, XN Shell. And we're going to download it. You have different options here, set up with 32-bit or 64, it depends. After you download it, you just go to that photo that you saved on your desktop. So now, as you can see, we have two photos. We're going to edit one of them. You just hit right click on the photo that you want to edit and find the XN Shell extension. Go to convert and then try to put the size 650 by 650. But make sure the settings are on the best quality, which is already on the best quality. And then we're going to hit convert. And this is going to make another copy after editing. So let me just go back to the DV Lottery website and try to double check. Okay, we're back again. So let's double check and see. This is the one that we edited. As you can see, it's totally fine right now. Accepted and approved. So what you can do, accept and proceed. Okay, and then you have to download it. You have to download it on your desktop, this version, after you cropped it. And then you have to upload it along with your application form. We're going to head back to DV Lottery application and show you how to fill it up. We're back to the official website. We're going to hit on begin entry. And then we're going to hit these letters, B as a bus, P as a person, and then W, 5K, K, H, and then submit. Here, you're going to just add your last name, your first name. If you don't have a middle name, just hit on no middle name. And the sex, which is male or female, the month, the birth of date, of course, the day, the year, the city where you were born, and then the country. And of course, you keep it as it is, unless you want to change it. And then the photograph that we edited, and then your full address, which is pretty clear. And then we scroll down, country where you live today, you should put your address where you live exactly. For example, if you were born in Egypt, in India, but you live in Pakistan, for example, then you have to put your address in Pakistan. And we scroll down and add your phone number, your email address a couple times, and then your education, if you have a high school, no degree, or high school with degree, primary school, or PhD maybe. If you were married, you have to follow the same steps. And your spouse needs a photo, the same requirements, and your kids as well. So you have to mention your kids, how many kids you have here. Let's say 5, and then you have to submit all their details as well. And then we hit continue, and that's pretty much it. It's going to show you that errors because I didn't fill it out. All what you have to do to hit submit when you are done or continue, and that's pretty much it. It's going to take you to another page with a digital signature. You have to save that. And you have to double check after 6 months from now or 12 months. Good luck, everyone, and have an amazing day.